Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting hands-on tutorial video that will equip you with the basic Excel skills you need to master, all in under 5 minutes. Whether you're aiming for a data-related position or just looking to boost your skill set, Excel is your trusty sidekick. So, why is Excel so important in the job market? Excel is the essential tool for anyone working with data. It's used across industries. Office clerks, administrative assistants, teachers, and even financial analysts and investment bankers rely on Excel for a wide range of tasks. Now, let's talk about the essential Excel skills that can help you land the dream job. Number 1. Data filters. Select the range of data you want to filter. Go to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. Click on the Filter button. This adds filter arrows to the headers of your data. Click on the filter arrow for the column you want to filter. Choose the filtering options you want. Example, select specific values, apply text filters, date filters, etc. Click OK to apply the filter. You can also apply multiple filters to refine your data. Number 2. Data sorting. Select the range of data you want to sort. Go to the Data tab. Click on the Sort button. Choose the column by which you want to sort your data. Select ascending or descending order. Click OK to sort your data. Number 3. COUNTIFs. In a cell where you want to count results to appear, type equals COUNTIF. Specify the range of cells to be evaluated and the criteria for each range. Close parenthesis and press enter to get the count based on your criteria. Number 4. Shortcut keys. Excel has numerous shortcut keys for various functions. To use them, simply press the designated key. For example, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, Ctrl S to save, Ctrl Z to undo, and so on. Number 5. Sum. Select the cell where you want the sum to appear. Type equals sum. Open the bracket and then select the range of cells you want to add. Close the bracket and press enter to calculate the sum. Number 6. Count. In a cell where you want to count results to appear, type equal counts. Open the bracket. Specify the range of cells you want to count. Close the bracket and press enter to get the count of cells with numbers. Number 7. Average. In a cell where you want the average to appear, type equal average. Open the bracket. Specify the range of cells you want to include in the average calculation. Close the bracket and press enter to calculate the average. These basic Excel skills can open doors to countless job opportunities. Whether you're an aspiring data pro or just someone who wants to excel at Excel, these skills are your ticket to success. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more exciting and informative content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.